Imagine a world where your commute is just a few steps, your office is wherever you choose, and financial freedom is at your fingertips. Embrace the freedom, unleash your potential. Welcome to the life of a social rep. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of successful social reps. They've found freedom, setting their own hours, and they're reaping the financial benefits. Their stories brim with excitement, growth, and a newfound zest for life. These are real people just like you who have transformed their lives. Becoming a social rep means embracing a lifestyle of flexibility, autonomy, and prosperity. Imagine controlling your work hours, no longer tied down by a 9-to-5 grind. Envision the potential of earning more, with your income directly proportional to your effort. Picture yourself as your own boss, steering your career path. Ready to get started? It's simple. Just sign up, complete the training, and begin building your network. Start your journey as a social rep today. Embrace freedom, unleash potential. You've heard the success stories, you've learned about the benefits, now it's your turn. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. It's time to step up, to take control, to shape your own destiny. Become a social rep. Work when you want, earn what you deserve. This is more than a job, it's a lifestyle. Join the community of social reps today. Step into the world of possibility and financial freedom.